Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2651.905. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining this level, chances are very high it can cross a level of $2660. Okay, and because this level is already being tested, so chances of going further upside will be there. Okay, and once the price moving above this level, a probability that it can cross a level of 2665 also, because this level is also being tested and it has moved above it will move above this particular level, and chances of crossing this particular level will be there. So chances are high it will cross this particular level and it will go towards a level of around next, that is $2667. Okay, and once the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will cross this particular zone and a further upside we can see a further upside will be there. But if the price didn't sustain, a probability that it can come down again towards this particular level. Okay, a level of 2663 $2638. Okay, and from there a bounce back can come. Okay, but if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2636, and from there a level of $2629. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see, so there will be a zone breakout, so further fall will be there. Okay, and now if you look at the dollar index is continuously on the rise, and I have told you that after sustaining above a level of 108.5, we can see it will touch a level of 109, and from there it can touch a level of 109.5. Chances of going further upside will be there. Okay, so when I'm saying that the price of dollar index started going upside, the probability is that the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. This is what we can see. Okay, chances are high when the price started falling below a level of 108.5, then only we can see it can come towards 108, and from there a level of $107.5. And if the price falling below this level, it can touch a level of 107, and from there a further fall. But if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of 109 to a level of 109.5, and from there a $110, and then a further upside. But if that didn't sustain, it can come towards 107.5, and then a further low if the price started falling below 108. Okay, coming back on the gold price, what we can see, gold price now trading at a level of $2651.170. Chances are high it can go towards the level of $2655, and after sustaining this particular level, it will go towards 2658, and this 2658 is already being tested, so chances of crossing this level will 2663 will be there, and then from there the price can go further upside towards 2666. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see, then a probability of sustaining level of 2667 will be there. Okay, then this particular pattern will form, so we can see it will go towards $2676, and once the price sustaining above 2676, probability of going towards a level of around further upside we can see towards $2686. Okay, and if the price moving above this level, probability of going further high we can see, and then it can go towards a level of $2693, and then a further high. Okay, but as I've already explained you that market is uncertain. Okay, see, look at this particular trend. So further upside we can see as soon as the price started going over $2658. Okay, now as I've already explained you, market is uncertain, so whenever you start to trade, try to put your SL. Okay, and try to trail the SL so your profit will be saved. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2649. If the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2645 will be there. When the price falling below 2645, chances of touching going further down we can see towards 2642 will be there, and then if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 2639. Suppose if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it will go towards $2634. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $2632. Okay, suppose if the price falling below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 2627 will be there. Okay, and then a further fall we can see towards $2621. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see it can go towards a level of 2614, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $2608. Okay, and then once the price falling below that level, we can see it will go towards $26.0704. Okay, and then if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of $25.96, and then a further fall we can see towards 25.89. Okay, and so there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see, and then it will go towards 25.86, and then it will cross a level of 25.84 because there will be a zone breakout. So further fall we can see, and then after crossing a level of 25.84, a further fall will be there. Okay, so you have to understand there will be a zone breakout and probability will be high that this particular pattern will support towards downside. So we can see there will be a further fall below a level of 25.70, and then a further of the price started falling below $25.86. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.